Hi, everybody. We're at the park, and guess what? We're at the park, and it's Multiples Day because here we have this beautiful family right now. And as you can see, we got quads here, and then we got the other family. We got twins. Well, of course, we got our twins, and then we got triplets. Don't we have triplets? We got triplets here. This is a triplets here. Here's another triplet. And at the very top up here, let me see if I can get him. Hold on. Oh, here we go, up here.
Come on down, buddy.
Oh, okay. And they're having a wonderful time. This is awesome, you know?
Boom.
So who would have figured all this was going on today?
Yep.
All right. And
They're five.
They're five? Well,
yeah.
They're five. Okay. So we got five. Our twins are 3. And then the quads are how old?
11 months.
11 months. There you have it. So we're all out here and enjoying this beautiful weather today. Have a great time. Wow.